Welcome to the world of crafting with wood, where creativity and craftsmanship come together to create stunning mini decor pieces that can transform any space. In this journey, you'll discover how simple wooden materials can be transformed into beautiful, functional items that not only enhance your home, but can also serve as a source of income. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this exploration into wood crafting will inspire you to unleash your creativity and embrace the joy of making something with your own hands. The tactile experience of working with wood sanding, shaping, and finishing invites you to connect deeply with the material, making each project a personal expression of your artistic vision. As we delve into the exciting realm of wood crafting, you'll learn about the versatility of wood as a medium and the myriad possibilities it offers. From rustic designs that evoke warmth and charm to sleek, modern aesthetics that embody simplicity and elegance, wood can be adapted to suit any decor style. This accessibility makes woodworking an inviting option for everyone, regardless of skill level. Throughout this journey, we'll explore tips and techniques that will empower you to create unique mini projects, all while highlighting the potential for profit in this rewarding craft. Join us as we embark on this creative adventure, turning ordinary pieces of wood into extraordinary works of art. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of crafting with wood. We hope you found inspiration, useful tips, and a newfound appreciation for the art of woodworking. If you enjoyed the content, we encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as there's even more to discover. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future projects and updates that will keep your creative juices flowing. Your support is invaluable, so please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts who might be interested in diving into the world of mini wooden crafts. Together, we can build a vibrant community of creators, exchanging ideas and inspiration as we continue to explore the endless possibilities of working with wood. We look forward to sharing more exciting content with you soon. The allure of wood crafting. Crafting with wood has a timeless appeal that transcends generations. The tactile nature of wood, with its unique grain and texture, invites creativity and exploration. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a beginner, the process of transforming raw wood into beautiful decor pieces can be immensely satisfying. Each cut, sand, and finish allows you to express your artistic vision while connecting with the material in a meaningful way. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride, making wood crafting not just a hobby, but a fulfilling pursuit. Embracing versatility. One of the greatest advantages of working with wood is its versatility. Wood can be shaped into a multitude of forms, accommodating various styles and preferences. The adaptability of wood means that it can seamlessly fit into any decor theme, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. This versatility opens up a wide range of possibilities for crafting projects that can appeal to diverse audiences. As you explore different techniques and designs, you'll discover how wood can be transformed to suit any aesthetic, making it an ideal medium for creative expression. The potential for profit. In today's market, there is a growing demand for handmade items that reflect authenticity and craftsmanship. Mini wooden crafts can tap into this trend, providing artisans with the opportunity to generate income while doing what they love. The uniqueness of each handcrafted piece often justifies a higher price point compared to mass-produced goods. By cultivating your skills and creating distinctive items, you can carve out a niche in the market, attracting customers who appreciate quality and originality. The potential for profit in wood crafting not only allows you to sustain your hobby, but can also lead to a thriving business. Accessibility for beginners. Wood crafting is accessible to individuals of all skill levels, making it an inviting option for those looking to explore their creative side. Many mini projects can be completed with just a few basic tools and materials, allowing beginners to start crafting without a significant investment. Simple designs often yield stunning results, encouraging newcomers to experiment and build confidence in their abilities. As you gain experience, you can gradually expand your toolkit and take on more complex projects, all while enjoying the learning process along the way. The joy of creativity. At its core, crafting with wood is about creativity and self-expression. The freedom to design and create something from scratch is a powerful experience that fosters innovation. Each project becomes a canvas for your ideas, allowing you to experiment with different shapes, finishes, and techniques. Embracing your creative instincts can lead to unexpected and delightful results, turning ordinary pieces of wood into extraordinary works of art. This creative journey not only enhances your crafting skills, but also enriches your personal growth and artistic vision. Understanding your market. A successful crafting venture starts with a solid understanding of your target market. Researching current trends and customer preferences can help you tailor your projects to meet demand. Engaging with potential customers through social media and local craft fairs can provide valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. By staying attuned to market dynamics, you can create items that not only showcase your skills, but also fulfill the desires of your buyers, ultimately increasing your chances of success. The power of social media. In today's digital age, social media serves as a powerful tool for promoting your crafts. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allow you to showcase your creations to a global audience. High-quality images and engaging content can capture the attention of potential customers and help build a loyal following. Sharing your creative process, tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses can foster community engagement and inspire others to explore woodworking. Utilizing social media effectively can significantly boost your visibility and sales, making it easier to connect with your target audience. Building a brand identity. Creating a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a competitive marketplace. Your brand should reflect your unique style and values, making it memorable to potential customers. Consider developing a compelling name, logo, and cohesive aesthetic for your online and offline presence. Consistency in branding can enhance your credibility and foster trust among buyers. A well-defined brand identity not only differentiates you from competitors, but also helps you cultivate a loyal customer base that resonates with your artistic vision. Networking with other artisans. Networking with fellow crafters and small business owners can provide invaluable support and inspiration. Joining local crafting groups or online forums can foster collaboration and knowledge sharing, helping you grow as an artisan. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can lead to opportunities for partnerships, workshops, and co-marketing initiatives. These connections can expose you to new techniques and ideas, enriching your crafting experience and expanding your skill set. The importance of sustainability. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration for consumers today. By using responsibly sourced wood and eco-friendly practices, you can enhance the appeal of your crafts to environmentally conscious buyers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainable crafting can resonate with a growing market segment and differentiate you from competitors. This approach not only benefits your business, but also contributes positively to the environment, aligning your values with those of your customers. Embracing the crafting journey. Crafting with wood presents a unique opportunity to blend creativity with entrepreneurship. The journey from raw materials to beautiful decor pieces is both fulfilling and economically viable. By embracing the versatility of wood, understanding your market, and honing your skills, you can create work that resonates with others while finding personal satisfaction in the process. As you explore the world of mini wooden crafts, remember that each piece you create is not just an item, but a reflection of your artistry and passion. Embrace the journey, learn from each experience, and let your creativity shine as you carve out your niche in the crafting community. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our content, and we hope you found it both informative and inspiring. Your support means the world to us, as it motivates us to continue creating and sharing more engaging projects and ideas. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on future videos filled with tips, tricks, and unique crafting concepts. We'd also love for you to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and fellow enthusiasts who might enjoy diving into the world of crafting. Your engagement helps us grow and fosters a vibrant community of creators. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content, so stay tuned for our next adventure.